Drivers, start your engines.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy NSRacing42, and welcome to race for the fourth qualifying heat race on the season. And we are going to go short track racing for the first time of season number 2 here tonight. A mid race week, a race in the middle of the week, and we are going short track racing. It's gonna be fun. Same as always, top 6 making it 24 laps. 2 will advance into the Advent Health main event tonight. Green flag in there for the heat race at North Wikesboro. And the number 27 of Clark McKee will lead lap number 1 of 24. The number 9 of Tyler Fink up to 2nd, and Monaco up to fell back to 3rd. Bradley Ream in 4th, and the 42 of Jeff Scott. And then right now the battle for that last spot is Ahmed and Jacob Dillons. 3 wide is going to be a very interesting thing all night long. 2 wide is fine, but 3 wide and sometimes even 4 wide is when it gets interesting. But right now, so far so good on that 4 of 24. Gonna go by really fast in the seat race. Clark McKee almost hit the outside wall off the turn number 4, but he kept it off the wall. And now these guys are looking pretty calm right now. Just trying to survive and make it into the main event. Oh, and Marco washed up the track. Almost got into the number 9 of Fink, but they luckily kept it off of each other. But right now, no one can catch up to Clark McKee in this number 27 with the Wassup Racing. Single file throughout the entire field almost. But these guys, they're trying to catch up to Clark McKee, but they can't get it done. Lap 8 now, and the top 6 that would advance into the main event would be Clark McKee, Tyler Fink, Eric Monaco, Bradley Ream, Jeff Scott, and Osman Ahmed. So, this would be the top 6 that would make it in as of now. And the whole field is single file now here on lap number 9. Told you it's gonna go by really fast. About 3 laps per minute. Tires are definitely falling off right now. And single file throughout most of the field. It does look like that these guys are trying to catch up to Clark McKee, but it's not working out so far. Closing in a little bit each lap on that number 27. Still 13 laps to go in this heat in this heat race. It should have all single file, but who knows, something could happen and we could have a quick crash and a quick caution. That's always possible. Battle for second maybe between Monaco and Tyler Fink. Dorban in 3 and 4 trying to get second from Tyler Fink. Right now on the outside looking in is the Daytona Heat Race winner Olin Mites, Trey White, Theo Diaz, Johnny Garner, Jacob Dillons, Clinton Moore, Alex Boston, Trey Smith, Mark Davison, and the 63 of Casey Nanico. These guys keep on battling from second on bat, and now Colton McKee has a 1 second gap once again. But the pulse of this race is now up to second. So we have to wait and see how that will shake things out. And really intense back here. Because now, with these guys getting double file and the racing is actually getting a little bit better as this one's going on and as this race is going on. And who knows, we can still see a caution, especially off of turn 4. Oh, contact between Nanico and Trey Smith. That time by Mark Davison had the last transfer spot. Here comes Quentin Moore out of nowhere in the number 0 transfer Joe Cobb Racing. And there's some rumors going around that the team's trying to get some sponsorship for this 0 truck for some races coming up. So hopefully they can make it into the show here at North Wikesboro. 4 laps to go at North Wikesboro. It looks like this is going to be the battle right here to make it into the show between Mark Davison, Tyler Fink, Quentin Moore, and maybe Jacob Dillons. Three laps to go. The sea race has been dominated by Clint McKee. No one's been able to catch up to him at all. 2 laps to go at North Wikesboro. White flag, final lap for Clark McKee in the number 27. Can Tyler Fink catch up to Mark Davison in time? It does not look like it. And Clark McKee will win the 4th heat race on the season. And he will be joined by Eric Monaco, Bradley Ream, Osman Hamid, Jeff Scott, and Mark Davison for the 6 trucks that will make it into the show and into the Advent Health 200. And unfortunately, Tyler Fink, Quinton Moore, Jacob Dillon, Dallas Bonsignor, John Garner, Trey Wright, Trey Smith, Sarah Diaz, Casey Nate Amico, and Owen Miles will not make it into the Advent Health 200 here tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Congrats to the top 6 that made it. McKee, Monaco, Weem, Hamid, Scott, and Davidson. And until later on tonight, for race number 4 on the season for the M&M's Truck Series, I will see you guys then. Bye!